My name is Jesse, president of Restaurant Mattress. I'm going to talk about some of the top split king adjustable beds that's on the market at the moment. First off, when I talk about each adjustable bed, I'm going to go over the unique features not all the features of each adjustable bed has. The first split king adjustable bed I'm going to talk about is the Glideaway Odessa. What makes this bed special because it has an elevation feature, which is particularly popular with people with acid reflux. And if you sleep on your side and you need the elevation feature, you can actually lay it flat and still sleep comfortably. And it has a true pillow tilt, so you can adjust the pillow tilt whenever you wish, while a lot of adjustable beds have auto pillow tilt, so when the head's raising, it pillow tilts. You cannot adjust it. The Gladio Desa, you have full control over the adjustment. Plus it has Bluetooth controllers and 2 reprogrammable positions, so you can program your favorite position and by a simple touch of the button, you'll be in that position. Another unique feature on this adjustable bed, it has Alexa capabilities. So if you have Alexa at home, you can use Alexa on this adjustable bed. So how does Alexa work on a split king adjustable bed, and how does she know which one to move? You would name each side of the adjustable bed. For example, one side could be named John, one side could be named Becky. You would say, Alexa, raise John's head, Alexa, lower John's head, and vice versa with Becky. On the massage, there's 4 different wave modes, 4 levels of intensity, and there's 3 timer options on the remote. So there's a button for a 10-minute option, a 20-minute option, and a 30-minute option to shut off the massage. The next split king adjustable bed I'm going to talk about is the Leggett Platt Prodigy Comfort Elite. Many people get the Prodigy Comfort Elite confused with the regular Prodigy 2.0 and the Prodigy 2.0 Plus. I'm going to discuss the difference between all 3 of the Prodigies. The Prodigy 2.0, it has a true pillow tilt, which means you can move the pillow tilt function independently when you wish. The Prodigy 2.0 Plus, it has the lumbar support you can adjust, but the pillow tilt is auto pillow tilt, so when the head's raising, the pillow tilt function moves. You cannot move it independently. And the Prodigy Comfort Elite has best of both worlds. It has the pillow tilt, which is a true pillow tilt, which you can independently move, and it has lumbar support. The Leggett Platt Prodigy Comfort Elite has another feature which is called the microhook technology. It's kind of like a Velcro-ish material to keep your mattress from sliding off the base without using the retainer bar. But the Prodigy does come with the retainer bar too if you want to use it, and which we found most of our customers still use the retainer bar. They don't use it without it. Another feature the Prodigy Comfort Elite has is 2 reprogrammed positions. So if you have a favorite position that you're always laying in, you can program the remote to it, and all you do is click that button and it'll automatically go into that position. It also comes with Bluetooth controllers, so on the app there's 4 reprogrammed positions. The massage is a dual wave technology, and what that means is that you can change the different levels of intensity from the head and the foot, so you don't have to have one single intensity throughout the whole bed. The next adjustable bed I'm going to talk about is the OvaMotion Elite 690. OvaMotion is the adjustable bed manufacturer for the top 4 mattress companies, which includes Serta and Beautyrest. The first feature I'm going to talk about on this base is the lumbar support. As you can see on the head of the bed, on the lower end of the head, there's a bar that supports the lumbar. So if you need an extra support on your back, this could be a good base for you. Another good feature about this base, it has adjustable pillow tilt. So you can adjust the pillow tilt as you wish. So maybe you don't want to use a pillow while reading your favorite book, but you want to adjust the head a little bit. You can do that with this base. Since the design is a 0 clearance, you can ultimately lay it flat on the ground without any legs and be able to use it. Many adjustable beds you wouldn't be able to do that because they have some kind of hangage below the frame. So ultimately you can use this base on a platform bed if you want to. When you go to the App Store on any of your electronic devices, you can download the OvaMotion remote app and you can control your base as far as Bluetooth. And both the handheld remote and the Bluetooth have 2 reprogrammed positions, so you can customize your favorite position and be in that position. And on the massage, it has independent head and foot massage, so you can change different levels of intensity of the head and the foot. You don't have to have one level of intensity of the overall base. And it has 6 levels of intensity, which shuts your massage off of 10 minute, 20 minute, and 30 minutes. With highlighting some of the features of the OvaMotion Elite 690 in this video, this base stands out because it has wooden legs also, where most adjustable beds have steel post legs. So basically, it has a furniture style look with wooden legs. All you do is put a headboard on it and it looks great in your room. And if you want the height of the bed a little taller, there are accessories for longer legs. The next adjustable bed I'm going to talk about is the Reverie 9T. This base comes with the Pro Grip technology, so it simply keeps your mattress on without the retainer bar. but it does still come with one, which Reverie is a little different that it has corner retainer bars instead of traditional center one, but we see most of our customers still use retainer bar instead of using the Pro Grip technology. Another unique feature on the Reverie 9T is the lumbar support. As you can see in the video, it's more like a flap instead of a bar. From our experience, we really don't see the difference between the bar and the flap as far as comfort. The next split king adjustable bed I'm going to talk about is the Mantua Rize Contemporary III. The Contemporary III is special because it has a lounge feature, and Mantua Rize is the only adjustable bed company that has this feature. And what it is at the foot of the bed, it actually goes into a negative degree to take pressure off the lower back. I've know we talked about the lumbar support on the Reverie 9T, the OvaMotion, and the Prodigy, but this lumbar support's a little different than those bases. So instead of a bar or a flap, the midsection actually raises. To give you an idea how the lumbar support works, the video actually shows the lumbar support actually raising. Another unique feature is the VoicePad app. By simply clicking the mic in the middle of the app and saying the commands that come with your base, you can adjust your adjustable base to your desire. So what if you have split bases? You just click the base that you want to move and say the command to adjust your base where you want it. So what if you want custom positions? This base actually comes with reprogrammable lounge, incline, and zero gravity positions. So you ultimately can have multiple customized positions. So we talked about some of the unique features each adjustable bed has in this video. So how do we know which split king adjustable bed is right for you? Each person and couple's needs are a little different. So if you go to our website, restrightmattress.com, and give us a call and tell us your needs and requirements, and we can answer those questions and get you the right adjustable bed. Also, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel about more information on our products.